Hey friends, welcome to Project Homestead. Today we are still working on the garden. I didn't get it finished, but I'm excited to hopefully finish it. My life is so busy, and when I'm putting these videos out one after the other, it almost feels like I'm just like showing you life as it is happening, and whatever ends up on these videos is what ends up on these videos. So I really appreciate you guys' patience with me. I had every intention on finishing that garden and the garden makeover, and it is so far from done. When I get home, I will show you my backyard. It's actually a little embarrassing how bad it looks, which is why I didn't include it in the last video. You'd never want to show the after as being looking worse than the before. So today I'm hoping to be able to show you a really good after, but I will show you what the backyard's looking like right now because it'll definitely look better than that by the end of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run into the spud shed and I'm going to get myself some dirt because they have a really good price right now, and I don't have it in my budget to run back down to Green Soil Co. So I'm hoping that since most of it is really good plant soil, garden bed soil, that I can get some stuff that might not be as good. Fingers crossed. Let's get in there, buy ourselves some dirt, and get home and get this garden bed planted once and for all. The other day while I was in the spud shed, I realized that they sell garden soil, and so I went ahead and I decided to go with this because it's $3.33 a bag. Not as good quality, but compared to the $15 a bag at Green Soil Co., I thought this was a lot better for my budget and I would be able to get a lot more dirt. Okay, we're home now from the store getting our dirt. I've put it out the front of the house, and I just wanted to show you the backyard so you can kind of see what we're working with currently. We're getting quite a lot of cucumbers actually. I'm actually really happy with that. Everything else looks pretty much the same. We've got a bit more green going on there. Can you guys see the asparagus right there? It is actually doing really well. I'm gonna have to take that out of the ground sometime. But yeah, it's pretty trashy looking back here. I really want to take care of this right now, but I'm gonna have to wait until I get back home from taking the kids to school, and then we will take care of all of this craziness. Actually, from this angle, it doesn't look so bad. It looks kind of nice. But when you look from this angle, not so nice. Not so nice. So we are home from school now, and Hamish really wanted to help me fill up the garden bed. He really loves to garden. He really loves to be outside, and I absolutely adore that. So I'm going to encourage that anytime that I get the chance. And also he gets to stab the bags, as you can see there, and get all the dirt out. So I let him open all the bags and then I dumped them out, which he loved. But this is pretty much us. We just filled the garden bed with the soil and then planted it out, which we will show you guys when we get to that part.
The city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. I'm trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race.
not sure if the pumpkin's gonna grow because it's saying that it's only for autumn in the different part of the country, but I'm gonna give it a go anyways. It's also saying this Chinese lettuce though will grow, so we're gonna make ourselves some homemade kimchi with that. The birds are being really loud, so what I'm telling you is I'm gonna plant the pumpkins right there because I don't mind if it spills out over the side of the bed because it's in a good direction. So we're gonna plant the pumpkins there. I'm gonna go ahead and let Hamish do the planting of the seeds, and I'm gonna put the holes in where I want him to plant them.
I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
Right now I'm planting up the Chinese cabbage, the seeds that I had, so we can make some kimchi. And previously those seedlings you saw Hamish and I putting in the ground were the other regular type cabbage.
Where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
Really quickly, I think I want to plant this lemon thyme right there by the garden bed and see how it goes. Like maybe it will grow up into a nice big shrub. Fingers crossed, I don't know, but we're gonna plant her up. All right, I'm gonna show you a quick view of what it's looking like, and then we're gonna go and plant our alyssum up.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves
Guys, what I
on
found.
the tree.
It's ground cherry. It fell off the thing, so
You gonna open it up and eat
I
it?
picked it up. Oh, what color is it? Oh, it's kind of yellow, but also kind of green.
Yeah, those ones aren't as good, but you let me know.
Still pretty good.
You'll let them fall off next time, okay?
There's 2 of them.
You can, yeah, bring them both. Stack them on top of each other and then bring one and then the other. Yeah? You don't have to bring the wire thing. You can leave the wire things up there. So, this really frustrates me when I am not able to get to something. I should have waited to buy the garden stuff and then just done my bulk food video. I just got really excited and I bought everything, and that's what happens when you can't get to growing things right away. This is promising though. I was thinking that the cat grass was not gonna grow, and it is growing. Our kitty cat grass is growing. Very nice, very happy with that. Cool. It's nice when you think that something's not gonna grow and then it does, and it surprises you, and that's nature. It's very true. I have a lot of trash. My neighbors are gonna be very happy that I'm gonna clean my trash up today from my yard. Just waiting for my little helper to come down. Thanks, buddy. We're gonna combine the soil in these and see if we can grow our alyssum. Come sit next to me. I'll scoot over for you. Let's take some dirt out of here and try to fill these up. It's sad when you can't get to plant and plant it in time, huh? It starts to die.
Yeah. Like you sprinkle it over the top and it should help the plant grow. Right, Mom?
Yeah. You gonna plant
Spider.
one? You wanna plant this one then without the spider? There you go. All right.
It has
Where's the other
wolf
elephant?
spider
Where?
or a huntsman. No, not in that one. In that one.
Where?
It's so tiny though, and it's like blended
Oh,
into
there it is.
dirt.
There we go.
Did you
Now
just squish it?
Now he is the dirt.
Did you just
Okay.
squish him
Yeah.
with your
This
thumb?
this one.
Wouldn't he
and this
bite
one.
you?
He got me, yeah. He didn't, did he? There you go. Dig it deep enough to plant it.
Should I break off the roots?
You can break the roots a little bit if you want.
Yeah, I'm just gonna break the roots a little bit. I'm just gonna push it. I gave Dad something to work on.
For the flute.
Yes. Yeah, the flute always distracts Dad.
He's playing Shanty Shanty. He's trying to figure it out. He's like,
Have you figured it out?
no. That's a real Hearthstone.
Is he almost figured it out?
No. He's literally just started. Ooh, the cat grass.
I know, isn't that cool?
Should I bring it inside or let
No,
it grow
I
more?
want to let it grow a little bit more and then we'll bring it in.
Yeah, because we need probably to borrow that in like a minute.
There you go, buddy. All right, we've got 3 Ellison, 3 Ellison, 1 Ellison, Ellison in there, 1 Ellison, and 1 Ellison. I really hope I haven't killed the Ellison. And my other plants, the food ones too. So right now I'm going to clean up all of this and then do an overview.
Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall.
I just came inside and turned the camera on. Look at my face. Have I been recording my face like this the whole video? I keep coming on and the sun's in my eyes and I'm like, hey guys. And I look like I live in a cave. You know what? It is what it is. Let's go show you the outside. That's just great. You know what I've decided? Dirt is my glitter.
If you had a glimpse inside my head, you'd know I'm different than you. What works for you might not work for me, 'cause that's our solid ground. I'll build a life that helps me thrive. I hope you're doing the same. Through my eyes I see different than you. Together we open new worlds. Different eyes lead to new heights, new views. Together we color the world.
Dirtle, you scared me. You startled me, sir. I'm gonna plant a tomato in there. Don't mind me, okay? You go on with your business and I'll go on with mine. Just no more startling me.
Discovering self to know how to grow. Genius takes many shades. Truth is we
I realized I didn't show you guys the after of the yard in the backyard of the garden. So here we are, 5:55 in the morning. I'm just waiting for the sun to come up enough so that you guys can actually see it. Can't really see it very good, but oh, the smell of the morning is so refreshing. It just feels like renewing and regenerating, and it feels and smells, I don't know, I feel like if I could put a smell to gratitude, maybe it would be this, like the morning, like, or just hope, maybe hope, not gratitude, maybe hope, hopefulness, possibility. It would be the morning, that morning smell. So give me a few minutes and then I will show you guys the backyard and hopefully get this video uploaded. This video has to be uploaded in an hour, so hopefully I can get it uploaded for you guys within the hour. I actually think while we've been out here, it's lightened up enough, so let's show you guys what the garden's looking like in the backyard. And that's it. I'm definitely going to be adding more to the garden, but for now, I'm pretty happy with it. I think for our small little patio garden, it's looking pretty good. Let's go check the front yard, and then that's it. We have got our lemongrass. We've got our purple cauliflower. I'm wondering if that's planted too closely. I don't know how big a cauliflower plant gets, but now that I'm thinking about it, they probably get pretty freaking big. So I might have to take out one or two of these. Got our strawberries there. Got our thyme, our lemon thyme, and our other stuff in our garden bed, which looks really great. I'm hoping the sun, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on this stuff because it might need a cover of shade. We've got ducks in the pool. Every morning, ducks in the pool. They're like enjoying life, living their best life, right? Getting up this early in the morning really makes me want to get up this early in the morning. It feels so peaceful. I have so much gratitude that I had to get up and finish this video because that smell is so good. My favorite smell in the whole world is rain, especially in the desert. It makes me euphoric. The smell of rain does something to my soul. I cannot explain it. The amount of gratitude I feel when I smell rain is, it's next level. It's next level. I can't even explain it. So the morning, I'm not sure if it rained last night or what it was, but the smell is just so stunning. I feel so much gratitude for my little tiny garden and for what the future holds. Thank you guys so much for joining my video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the comments, the likes, the shares, all the friendships that I'm building here on my channel. And I hope that you guys talk to each other in the comments as well and we become a big homesteading family. It would be so cool. I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye friends.